Hey everyone, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. I know you've all been waiting for this detailed instruction tutorial on the Lucky Bracelet for 2025. And I'm excited to dive into it with you. So let's get started together and explore what makes this bracelet so special. As we enter 2025, many seek fresh starts and new opportunities. I use stunning 4.5 mm garnets for this beautiful bracelet, paired with elegant 3 mm 18K yellow gold beads. Red garnet is known for its grounding properties, helping to stabilize emotions and provide a sense of security. This can be particularly beneficial as people navigate the uncertainty of a new year. And the use of gold beads adds a touch of luxury to the bracelets, and is often seen as a symbol of success and wealth. This bracelet is not only serving as a beautiful piece of jewelry, but also as a meaningful reminder of personal goals and the value that guide you. Making this bracelet is super simple and fun. You can use 0.8 mm braided cord in either red or brown to create an adjustable style that fits most wrist sizes. For our sample bracelets, I usually make it a 6.5 inches wrist. Cut an 18-inch piece of cord and then burn both ends to create the needles. Do you still remember how to create? Kiki and Chico is sleeping right behind me. They're making very funny sound. We will start with the center part. 1 gold bead followed by 3 garnet beads, making a total of 5 sections. One gold bead, 3 garnet, you might wonder why 6 gold beads. Anyone knows? The number of 6 is often called the mother of numbers. Wow, it sounds amazing, right? And it symbolizes nurturing, compassion, and responsibility. Promotes harmony and highlights the importance of family and community. Okay, the number 6 is perfect for those aiming to achieve their goals in 2025. And now thread the beads onto both sides of the cord. Make it a 6.5 inches. Now use the wrist gauge to measure 6.5 inches. So you see there's a space here, and we are gonna make the macrame knot right here. So it will become 6.5 inches wrist size. Now tie a knot on both sides to secure everything. This is just a very normal knot. Next step, cut a short piece of cord. And then we will braid 5 or 6 macrame knots. Okay, let's fold it in half like this, and then create upper cord and lower cord like this. Okay, press it. Now, get this one ready, like this, and then place this one under the 2 cords. Okay, now you remember which one is the lower cord? Yes, the lower cord is right here. Goes through this loop. Now, pull both cords like this. So the first knot is created. We will braid the next one. Remember to keep track of the cord with the little knot. Right now it's on the left side. And this is where you will start the next braid. So the left cord goes around the 2 cords right here. Use your finger to press it like this. And then the right cord goes through the back of the loop. Pull both cords. Adjust it a little bit. Make sure it's in the right position. Okay. The second knot is done. Now, where do we start? The little knot is on the right side now. So we start from the right cord, okay? Like this. And the left cord goes around the loop on the right. Okay, now pull both cords again. We already created the third knot, okay? Now is the fourth one. The little knot is on the left now, okay? We start from the left. Now the little knot is on the right, and we start from the right cord. Okay, now the little knot is on the left. Okay, lift a bit of the excess cord and cut. See the excess cord and then burn. Now we press, and this side we do the same. Press. So this sliding macrame knot is done. The last step, add 1 bead on each side. Like this, and then tie a knot. Make sure they have the same length from the knot. Right now, cut the excess cords and burn it. This one too. And you're done! Additionally, you can also make these bracelets with an elastic style using 2 cords. which looks just as beautiful as the braided one. That's the fun of DIY. Be creative, and you can have many design options. As a special treat for our amazing YouTube fans, we are excited to offer an exclusive 50% discount on this lucky bracelet at DIYnotion.com, bringing the price down to just $65. Simply use the coupon code LUCKY2025 at checkout to take the advantage of this fantastic deal. Be hurry, this offer ends on December 31st, and don't miss your chance to shine bright in the next year. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.